In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Amazon account. Whether you're a new user or just setting up an account for someone else, I'll walk you through each step, making it simple and easy to follow along. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and go to Google. Once you're there, type in Amazon and hit enter. You should see a list of search results. Click on the first link you see listed. This will take you directly to Amazon's homepage. Once you are on Amazon's homepage, look towards the top of the screen. You'll see a section that says Hello, Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to click on the link that says Start Here. This is where you'll begin the process of creating your new account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use an address you have access to because Amazon will send a verification code to this email. After you've entered your email, click on the button that says Continue. Now a new section will appear asking for your first and last name as well as a password. Carefully type in your details, making sure your password is something secure but also memorable. A good tip is to use a combination of letters, numbers and symbols for extra security. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click on Verify Email. At this point you'll need to check your email for a verification code. Amazon will send this code to the email address you provided earlier, so head over to your inbox and look for an email from Amazon. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam folder just in case. Once you've found the verification code, return to the Amazon page and enter it into the space provided. After you've done that, click on the Create Your Amazon Account button. This step finalizes your account creation and you'll be one step closer to accessing all that Amazon has to offer. Finally, Amazon will guide you through any remaining prompts to complete the setup of your account. Follow along with these instructions and you'll be all set. With your new account ready to go, you'll have access to Amazon's wide range of products and services. And there you have it, you've successfully created a new Amazon account. Thank you for watching and don't hesitate to reach out if you need any further assistance. Enjoy your new Amazon experience.